Okay, here we go.
It's exciting.
To bring all the fish back, because tomorrow we probably get to cut it.
That's all the fish, Grandma. Are you sure?
That's all the fish.
We ended up with 23 fish, pulling them out. All the hard work's worth it. I mean, I'm teaching my grandkids so that they can take over and be able to do this for our community.
Put it down and step on the rope right there.
Not enough, not enough. For my family, for me personally, I got to be assured I got $600 in my damn wallet to leave here to go down to Eklutna River, Kasilof to get our fish. Boat gas, car gas, food gas, bait, parking lot fees, camping fees, potential emergencies. I got to have $600 in my wallet to get there, so that the people that don't have as much as we can be here and use that net and get their fish right here.
Traditionally, the Eklutna River is where our name comes from, and that's where we're from. And it would be nice to be able to return home like salmon do, you know, and kind of have this like circle of life. We've had a gap for a long period of time, and it's important to try and bridge that.
The village moved from around Connect because it got too crowded over there. Miners were coming through there getting supplies. The people decided to move here to get away from that. And they knew that the river was here and that salmon were going up the river, and they knew they could go hunting. They could live off the land. But when that dam was put in, that stopped everything, and the fish could no longer go up river to spawn. And the dam was put there because the city of Anchorage needed power. Nobody in the village was consulted before the dam was put in.
We have an opportunity here to change a historical wrong. I think we also have an opportunity to put another salmon producing stream in Upper Cook Inlet. And I don't think you can put a price on that.
The village itself should be more prosperous. Like, it was something that was taken away from us, and we have the utilities here who could do the right thing. And I just cannot understand how they can be anti-river, anti-people, anti-community.
I'll go. We just got back from like a mile walk to go to the river and to check out some cool fish and some bugs in the Eklutna River over there.
It was really fun because there's deep parts, and he definitely jumped in the water.
Yeah, it's gonna be really cool if the salmon come up, because it's gonna be cool seeing a bunch of fish that we never seen. Because when me and her growing up coming here, we didn't see a lot of fish. We always hear stories from our elders and stuff, hearing there used to be a whole bunch of fish in the water.
So we want to help with that.
Yeah, we want to help restore all that and save the fish and stuff.
My vision for the river now is to have the salmon start coming back up the river, and the people who live in the village being able to get that salmon to live on.
It would be really cool if they let more water from the dam into the Eklutna River.
And also, if the water came back, then there would be more salmon.
It wouldn't take very much to have them open the dam up and let some water out.
We are supportive of having water come down the Eklutna River to restore salmon habitat. There needs to be enough to create a sustainable run, and we want to see sockeye salmon all the way up the lake spawning.
Food's got to come from somewhere. Shouldn't be so much to feed each other. Right home, we have the potential, and if everybody works together, everybody can benefit.
Salmon just really brings us all together, and if we lose that, then we tend to lose ourselves. Our health is within, keeping that culture alive.